अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाजरीन, सिद्रा हियर। मैं उम्मीद करती हूँ आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, सपोर्ट करें, लाइक करें एंड शेयर करें। कल हमने एच लेटर और उसकी साउंड ह तक किया था। आज हम स्टार्ट करते हैं। बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। हम स्टार्ट करेंगे लेटर आई एंड द साउंड इज ई ई ई and the word will be ink. You can see the picture. Ink. The next letter is J. And the sound is J. And the picture is jug. Jug. Next letter K. And the sound is K. Kite. Picture ओ इस तरह से रखेंगे। Kite. Next letter L. The word will be, sound will be L for line. Next letter M. And the sound is दोनों लिप्स को जोड़ेंगे तो बनेगा for mango. M for mango. Next letter N. And the sound will be N. Nose. And the picture is nose. N for nose. Next letter is O. And the sound is office. O for office. Here it is, office. Next letter is P. And the sound is P. Parrot. Parrot is here. Parrot. Next letter is Q. And phonics of Q is Q. Queen. Next letter is R. And the sound is R. R, r. Guess the word. Yes, it is R for run. R for run. R for run. Next letter is S. S. And the sound is S. 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 See the picture? Yes. S for sun. S for sun. Next letter is T. 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 And the sound is T. 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 Tug. Tug. See the picture? Tug. Tug. The girls are pulling the tug. Next letter is U. Next letter is U. And the sound is a. Yes, the picture is a, a for umbrella. A for umbrella. 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 Yes, a for umbrella. Next letter is V. V. And the sound is V. 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 V for wet. V for wet. Who is wet? Who treats our animals when they are sick? Yes, he is wet and treating a dog wet.